Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to work with Lofted Boss base. So let's get started. Now let's go to features. Click on reference geometry, the drop down. Click on plane. Now on our first reference, let's select on top plane. Let's make our distance 0 to the origin. I'll go to reference geometry again, click on plane. Now let's keep our distance 50, and we have this. Let's add another plane to it, and we have the third plane here. So let's sketch on the first plane. Let's work with a center rectangle. Let's sketch on the origin. Let's add our dimension. Let's make here 100. Let's keep here 70. Now let's close this sketch. We close it up. Let's sketch on plane 2. Let's work with a circle. Let's keep the dimension 70. Now let's close this. Let's sketch on our plane 3. Let's work with a straight slot. Let's work with center point slots, and we have this. So we are done with our sketch. Let's close here up and click on Lofted Boss base. Now for our profile, I want to clear here. I select here on our rectangle and select on our circle on plane 2. I select on this on plane 3. So we're having this. I click on my check mark. So this is what we have been able to generate from Lofted Boss base. Now let me close the plane. I'll hide it up. So this is for Lofted Boss base. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.